slow, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be pretty dope. We're back working on the 335, and I got some upgrades, and there's some stuff to make it look a little more cosmetically better. So stay tuned, and let's get into today's video. Yee! So as you can see in the description, I said we're going to be doing some upgrades, and what I mean by that is we're going to be doing the headlights. I'm going to be doing a little unboxing real quick, and I'll show you these headlights. They're pretty bad. OEM headlights, and they're just fogged up and whooped. And then this one, the ballast is bad, so it just flickers on and off, and so I don't like driving the car at night because of that. It's something I could fix, and I can get new lenses, but I figured just buy aftermarket headlights. They look pretty good. But on top of doing that, I am going to actually be replacing the gold fenders with some black ones I just picked up. And I picked up some tire liners, so that way it'll be a lot more secure with there. Just better with the tire liner with water and everything. So I'm going to be doing that in today's video. Basically just changing the headlights out with the new ones and then going with the black. The only reason why is because I'm going to be wrapping my car still. I just haven't fully decided what color. I have pearl white, but I don't really want to do pearl white. And so I don't really mind that the hood's green and everything. I just can't stand the gold fenders. Like, I did this originally just because I was going to wrap the car, but basically, like I said, I don't know when I'm going to get around to wrapping the car. It's really hot over here, and I'm just like, I don't really want to do it yet. So, and I haven't picked the color, so I figured at least if it's all black, and then like depending on the day and like how the light hits at the hood, you can't even tell it's green unless like how we have direct sunlight on it right now, or direct light on it is why you see the green. But if I was to pull it out or take a picture of it, you don't even know. So at least if the fenders are black, it's gonna look pretty fire. They're in pretty good condition. They need to be cleaned. I got them for a steal of a price, so it's worth it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Pretty easy day. It's not gonna be too crazy. But that's really it. I'm gonna get the car flipped around because it's hot in here in the garage. So, yes sir. So we got her out, swapped around. It's gonna look a lot better. All right, and here we go. We got those new lights, as you can see. Ooh, those are sexy. Big difference. So yeah, that's today's plan. Let's get these bad boys on. Yes, they're nice. Oh man. All right, so we got the jack up, wheels are up off the ground. So now I just gotta start unbolting the front bumper so that I can start getting, well, I'm gonna take the wheels off and then start getting to all the bolts. So bear with me. Bear with me. All right, front bumper's off, super easy. 4 8mm, 2 on each side, and then you got the T25s. 4 of them across the front. That's it, since it's aftermarket bumper and stuff. But yeah, so now I'm gonna start working on the headlights, and then just a bunch of torque's gotta come off, and then the fender is just a ton of 10 mils all the way around. It's pretty easy. I'm just gonna go ahead and just get them all removed, so that way it's faster. Running out of daylight over there, just going down, so let me just get into it. Rapidly running out of light, but headlights are out. Really easy, but you can see how I don't have any fender liners, so I'm gonna be putting those back on. Heck yeah. Now I just gotta do the fenders. Should be pretty easy. I got my boy Raul, he's holding the fender.
Wow, incredible.
But yeah, so this fender's off, tire liner's out. So now I'm just gonna throw this fender back on, throw the tire liner on. Well, I think the tire liner I'll do very last. Throw the fender on, throw the other headlight on, and then go for it. Yes, sir. That's what it looks like, all skeletoned out. Okay, so as of right now, I got the fender on, headlight on, the bumper's on, this fender's on, the headlight's on. I still got to bolt the bottom parts of the bumper and put the fender liners in. But right now I'm going to test to see if the lights work. So let's see, moment of truth. Put this in here, and let's put it to auto. Let's see what she looks like. Shoo! Oh, dang, those halos are bright. Oh, yeah. Big difference. Oh, my goodness. I wonder if I could turn the brightness down so you can see them. Look at that.
Exposure.
Look at that. Oh, shoo! That looks mean. Mean. And then when you brighten it back up, you can see, look, we're all black now. Oh, wet. Let me get it all cleaned up, and I'll throw the fender liner, put the wheels on, and I'll go to a gas station so we can see this with some light. Okay, so as of right now, it's pretty dark outside, but it's all pretty much buttoned up back together. And I'm going to take it to the gas station, give you guys a better view of what it looks like, but I'm pretty pumped. Tire liners went on pretty well. Fitment's still all the same. Looks pretty good. Headlights look amazing. That makes the whole car just look like a different car. So let's go to the gas station. Choo! We'll do a little drive through the neighborhood to the gas station. Got my boy in the 335 IS.
It looks so good, dude.
Yee! Oh, whole different car. Oh my goodness, whole different car. Oh, I need the hood. That shit's wet. Damn. Bro, the black fenders were a plus. Headlights, amazing. And the boys IS. Let me see if I can take the that's hella wet. But fitment is fire with the fenders and the new headlights. You see the fitment is A1. So I'm happy. Car is coming together. It's gonna be wrapped soon. And but at least I can drive around not looking like Frankenstein. I might get an LCI hood, so we'll see. I don't know yet. But yes sir. All right, we're back home, tucked away. So, yep, that'll complete today's video. Just a quick one, but I wanted to get that done, so I'm happy. Hey guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Super happy with the results. I know I just said that, but it's like really, this car is coming together. It really is. It's still pretty ugly, but stay tuned. She's getting there, but I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go. You.